12 years. That's how long I trained to be just good. I was an attending surgeon in a mid-sized city, fixing gallbladders and appendixes. I had a 2-bedroom apartment and a car with a dent I never fixed. I wasn't unhappy. I was just there, waiting for a life that actually meant something. Then a link in an email changed everything. 3 weeks later, I'm stepping off a plane into controlled chaos. No neat rows of tents, no endless supplies. Just Daria, a nurse who'd forgotten how to be surprised, and Thomas, a paramedic who still flinched at every shell. My first case landed 4 hours after I hit the ground. Shrapnel, shoulder, neck. No backup, no second opinion. Week 9. That's when Makola arrived. 17 years old, hit by a drone strike. The math was simple. If I didn't try, he was dead. If I failed, he was dead. I was his only path. Then, 40 minutes in, the generator died. Total darkness. My hands were shaking, not from fear, but from the bone-deep cold. Tomas held 2 flashlights, his hands steady while mine struggled. We operated in that freezing silence for over an hour. One final knot, one nod from Daria. He lived. Now I'm back. The coffee maker is running, the lights don't flicker, and that dent is still in my car door. People ask how the trip was, but there are no words for the not knowing. I put everything I had into 47 people, and then they vanished into the war. I'm going back in 2 months. Some places don't let you leave because you left something there you don't want back.